Okay, Algebra 2 students, here's a video for example 5 for section 4.5.1, using the nth root to solve equations. This is very similar to what we had before, except now there are equations that we're going to solve. Here's the equation 2x to the fifth equals 64. First we're going to isolate the x to the fifth, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. After we divide both sides by 2, we have x to the fifth equals 32. And then we have to take the fifth root of this. When you take the fifth root of both the 32 and the x to the fifth becomes just x, and the 32 to the 1/5 power, we've had this a few times in this chapter already. 32 is 2 to the 5th power, so when you take the 1/5 of that, you get just 2. That's the only example they give us. All right, now they want us to try these two problems. Give these a shot and come on back when you're ready. First thing we're going to do is divide both sides by 5, because I got to get the x cubed by itself. X cubed equals 64. I think 320 divided by 5 is 64. And then I'm going to take the 1/3 root of this and the 1/3 root of 64, which I suppose you could just do with a calculator, especially if you're not that familiar with roots. But I already know the 1/3 root of 64 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16, times another 4 is 64. So there's my answer to that one. This one I don't have much room, but let me change colors so you can follow along with me better. First I'm going to divide both sides by 2 and get that p to the 4th power is 81. And then I'm going to take the 4th root of p to the 4th and of 81 to get that p equals the 4th root of 81. So square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of that is 3. So I think these are the two answers, 3 and 4, or 4 then 3. Let's see what they wrote. 4 and positive or negative 3. Let me go back and see why it's positive or negative. Because it was an even root. When it's an even root, you could have positive or negative for the value. So remember that. If you ever take the 1/4 root or the 1/6 root or the 1/8 root, you can have positive or negative. But if you take the 1/3 root, it can't be a negative, because negative times negative times negative would come out negative, and this was positive. All right, you can do these 4 problems. That's it for this video. Have a great day.